Okay, let us explain Runge-Gupta second order method. We can also call it as improved Euler-Cauchy method. Okay, how to find out root using Runge-Gupta second order method. The procedure is a bit different. So y1 is equal to y0 plus k. Then k we call it as increment actually. So k is equal to k1 plus k2 by 2. Again k1 is equal to what? H into f of x0 comma y0, and k2 equal to h into f of x0 plus h y0 plus k1. Okay, after finding what you might be given with x0 and y0 as initial condition, and you will be given h value. Then from this you can frame k, and if you substitute k and if you know y0, you will get y1. That is the procedure for Runge-Gupta second order method. Then Runge-Gupta fourth order method. Runge-Gupta fourth order method is also same only. Y1 is equal to y0 plus k, but k changes. K is equal to what? K1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4 divided by 6. Okay, so here k1 is equal to h into f of x0 comma y0, then k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2. Okay, k3 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k2 by 2. Then k4 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h y0 plus k1. These formulas you should learn in order to solve the problems. Okay, we will solve some problems related to Runge-Gupta second and fourth order method. So let us solve problem number 45 of Runge-Gupta second order method. So what is considered differential equation? F of x comma y equal to x minus y, and they have given initial condition y of 0 equal to 0. By Runge-Gupta second order method, step size is 0 and value of 0.1. So only one iteration. So y1 is equal to y of 0.1 is equal to y0 plus k. Here x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 0. So y0 we know, but we don't know k. K is equal to k1 plus k2 by 2, but we don't know k1. K1 is equal to h into f of x0 comma y0. As I was saying, you should remember those formulas. So what is the value of h given in the problem? Step size is h. So step size is h equal to 0.1. So 0.1 function of x0 comma y0 is 0 comma 0. Substitute 0 comma 0 in the above function, you will get the complete value of k1 as 0. K to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. Then what you are going to get? H is 0.1 function of x0 plus h. X0 is 0, h is how much? 0.1. y0 is 0, k1 is how much? 0. So 0.1 function of 0.1 comma 0 is 0.1. So I will get 0.01. I know k1 k2. Come on, find out k value. K value is equal to k1 plus k2. 0 plus 0.01 by 2. I will get it as 0.05. After finding k, substitute in this equation. Y1 is equal to y0 plus k. Y0 is 0 and k is 0.05. So the value is 0.05. Which option? Option B is correct. Okay. 0.005, no? Yes, 0.005. Option C is correct actually. Okay, let us solve problem number. We will stop and we will do in next lecture.